Finally, this evening, the top brass of the Jamaica Skateboard Federation remains undaunted in its bid to develop the sport locally in the face of continued financial struggle to fund the program. As Denise Walters reports, despite making strides with a number of Jamaican skaters being ranked internationally, local sponsors are not coming on board.
The JSF recently held World Skate Day in Boys Town, which was postponed due to several factors. Steve Douglas, president of the Jamaica Skateboard Federation, says, despite the lack of support locally, the Federation is focused on building a grassroots program with assistance from EA Skate and Board for Bros.
So we started our program by giving away 50 skateboards. Our Boys Town program got all our sponsors excited. So what we're going to do next is supply shoes and safety gears for those who we give skateboard in the Boys Town region. We also are going to identify 5 communities in Jamaica that we're going to identify and also distribute skateboards, shoes, and helmets as well.
Douglas believes that when the National Skate Park is built, skateboarding can help heal some of the divide in the Trenchtown, Boys Town area that has been plagued by violence in recent times.
But we want to make sure that the youths are active so that they don't participate in any type of negativity or violence. So that is why the program is very important for Boys Town.
And speaking of skate park, how is it coming along?
Yeah, we have to assess the land because we want to do the final design of the reggae skate park to be sanctioned for the for World Skate as well. So what we want to do is make sure the land is being surveyed right now as phase 1, and also there's some structure that needs to be redone on the wall around the reggae skate park. So that's what's going to be the priority now before we start the groundbreaking.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sport.